On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you a program called Task Manager Deluxe. Hello everybody! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you a program called Task Manager Deluxe. What this program is a task manager. It is a total replacement for the original Task Manager. So when you go like this, and you click Task Manager, and this program pops up, this is the default Task Manager program. Now, Task Manager Deluxe has a little more visuals and a little more information, a little more than what Process Lasso does. But this program is free. Process Lasso is only a trial. So let's open up new folder 3. When you do download it, it comes in TMX. So we're going to open that up, and the program is going to be initializing. So as you can see, this program is initializing, which is what I want. So, the program is not responding. Okay, I'll try the other version real quick. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. So this is kind of like a lot like Process Lasso. As you can see here, if you look up in the right-hand corner here, CPU memory, I'm only using 10% memory, AC power. If this was a laptop and I would pull the charger out of it, it'd be DC power. This is how much the program is using and stuff like that. So if I go to monitor, I can monitor certain things. I can monitor this, and it'll tell me what it's using. So if I go back here, oops. Oh, here we go. So if I go to, I can click Terminate, Suspend, Windows. So now we're going to go through the Process Explorer. It's got its own Explorer, which is really, really cool. So if I click Windows again, these are all the services that are running. Sessions, auto runs, which is this network. I do not currently have this computer plugged into the network right now, but there is a little bit of actually what I don't have is the switch plugged into the network right now, so we're getting a little bit of upload speed from there because of the network interface card. So we'll do disk I/O, which is your hard drive or SSD, depending on what you have in your computer. And if you go to performance, this is what you want to look at when you look at stuff. So this is my CPU usage. This is the CPU clock. This is memory utilization. I'm only using 10% of the memory. The CPU, I'm only using 10%, but the clock is almost all the way up there. The reason that is this is an old computer. If this was a new one, it'd probably be about right here. This is a really old computer, so that's why. So if you look down here, this is in use. The green is in use, so that's how much I'm using. This is modified, standby, and free. All this light blue stuff is free space. So this is all the available stuff I could have on my drive, or stuff like that. So this is all the free space. Now, it gives you memory composition. This is running DDR3. So this is in use. Anything in green I'm using right now. Anything in orange is being modified in memory. Dark blue is standby, free. So all from the memory space from here to here is not being used right now. But I don't need it to be used because I don't use much on this machine. And if you go to System, what's nice about this is it gives you specifications of your system. So in this case, the computer I'm using is Hewlett Packard HP. The product name, baseboard, BIOS, SM BIOS, product serial, system UUID, and it gives you all the specifications. So basically, this task manager has its own CPU-Z in it, which is very, very good. So the operating system is here, and it's multiprocessor free. I'm running a 64-bit type, and it gives you all the stuff. It tells you the task manager, it tells you time and space, and the security. So I have antivirus, Windows Defender is enabled, anti-spyware, Windows Defender in this case, user account control is enabled, virtualization is enabled, UEFI, that is the new BIOS. It's not present because this computer is really old. This is test sign content, it says forbidden. Go to performance again, and this is all the stuff that you have. So if I exit out and press Control Alt Delete, we'll go back to the original. You can go to performance, but it's not going to give you as detailed as the Task Manager Extended. This is startup. It's very basic stuff on the Windows version. But if we open up this, we get more. So and it says up here, free to use for private, educational, non-commercial use. What does that mean? By me explaining how this program works is educational. Private use, it's in the use of your own home. If I owned a shop, a computer repair shop, I would put this on all the computers. I could get in trouble for it. Now, if there is a commercial version, but this version is not commercial, but it's also free. So this is really, really cool. I like programs like these. Tells you the network. Upload speed 000. Download is because I don't have anything plugged in. That's why. And there we go. So exit out, exit out, exit out. There we go. So that is Task Manager Deluxe. It gives you more information about your computer. It's just like Process Lasso, but it's not a trial. And it's for educational and private use. So with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.